Hi, my students. Will be a video of helping you complete your lesson plan for this course. Remember, you'll be creating your own lesson plan going off of those 4 different learning styles that we've been talking about in this class. So I just want to go over each section of this lesson plan. If you have any questions, please let me know. The first is just your vocabulary words of what topic that you'll be talking about. So for this one, I did transportation, and what I've been talking about is in the air. So that means airplanes, hot air balloons, helicopters. So that's why I put all of these words up here. Your topic can be transportation, like on the ground, in the water as well. So I just wanted to put all of those vocabulary words up there for my students who love to learn and read off of the board as well. And also in my classroom, I do post pictures with each of these words so they can actually see what picture goes with what word as well. So then first you want to put a focus question. So my focus question is, what kind of different transportations can we take? So that means they don't just think of what's in the air. They can also think of, well, I actually ride a car to school. You can take a bus, a school bus, a train. So there's different ways they can learn about transportation. Then this right here as well is a questions that you would like to ask your students every day just to get them thinking. It can be fun questions on your topic or anything. I always just do toward the study that I'm doing. So for example, for Monday, I did, where do you want to travel in an airplane? I asked my students that. They said either to the mall, to Target, to the zoo, to Disney World. So there's multiple things they could say to kind of get their brain focusing. So that's those sections right there. Then you go down here. This is where large group happens. This is where they can ask questions. You can read a book. And this is where also your students who like to read or understand and discuss each book, this is where they can get their learning styles in as well. So for example, the first section here, my first airplane ride, and also there's discussions we can talk about during that book. So, some students you may not like to sit and listen to a book, but also you might have students who that's how they learn. So you actually want to read a book each day, then have a discussion on that as well. The next section right here is called small group. This is where you can put different artwork you want to do. So Monday, Tuesday, I usually do the same art for these 2 days as an airplane. And at the very end, I actually will show you what does the artwork look like for those as well. So I did airplane and then helicopters and then numbers with transportation. I'll go over that in a second. We do Bible in my classroom as well. So we do this. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but you're more than welcome to do a Bible section. This week we were talking about Jesus calms the storm, and that's where we got all that from. And then our Bible verse there as well. Then when you scroll down here, this is where more of the discussion comes from for Bible. And this is where we can read and listen to songs and sensory, where this actually goes with our Bible too. At the very end here, you would want to screenshot the art that you're doing for your study, which means where you can go back and know what art goes with which day. So let me zoom in here real quick. So going off of the transportation study with numbers, I actually have here cars that can go to each parking spot, but they also have numbers here. So you're doing, remember, you're recognizing numbers, but also they're playing with cars at the same time. So they're getting that hands-on learning, but also they're learning as well at the same time. And for this as well, this is a helicopter. Like I said, I'll be doing that Wednesday and Thursday, just so we can get a hands-on learning with helicopter, how to build it. Obviously, they are not going to look all the same, and that's okay. We go off of what the student knows and understands, and if it doesn't look like this, that is okay. That's just how they learn. And last but not least, this is a airplane that I did with my students. You have different steps. They do the blue first for the sky. You can also do cotton balls for the clouds if you want to. And also we can build a airplane. And yet again, it may not look how you want it to, and that is okay. Just realize that this is their artwork, not yours. So yeah, this is all of the lesson plan, and it's really fun. Make learning fun for your students, and just take your time through it. And if you have any questions, let me know, and have fun with it. And just think of each different learning styles that we've been going through in this course, of how you can hit everyone each day for all of your students to make sure no child is left behind. Thank you.